taona kuti aiwa maZimbabwe campaign chief chedu seMGCT chinochitangira pamuzinda. We have notified the ZRP and they are aware of this launch today. So I now launch it. To bury the remains of the once great nation of Zimbabwe, owing to poor leadership, poor selfishness, and an old leadership worried about power than prosperity. Today we witness 3 decades of what should have been an era of prosperity, liberty and freedom, anchored on respect, dignity and human rights. The dream of independence has been squandered through greedy and corruption. The nation is sick, troubled, and confusion is everywhere. We are a nation, not just a nation, but a miserable nation. We have been dehumanized, and the system has stripped us our sense of empathy, decency, kindness, and greatness. The reason I stand here today is not to help bury the remains of this great nation, but to declare that we will never stand idle and let the old die with our future. Like they did during the liberation struggle, we shall also in the present day, we shall also do in the present day. We are here to save our Zimbabwe. We cannot stand and watch this tomfoolery history judges us. Posterity will be cruel to us if we fail to act. The police, but we have 3 things that he doesn't have. That is the people, the time, and history. Comrades and friends, 2018 is far away. And the elections are not only the way of removing a democratically elected government or a president from power in a democracy. However, let me be clear that this current government was not even democratically elected. Peaceful protest are a legal means of removing government from power, whether they were elected by Nikuf or a dead voter. Comrade Mugabe, with your banknotes, your dead cabinet, your corruption, your disrespectful life, just bring back our 15 billion. I thank you.
Kana muchida kuvewo kutanga kunzwa nyaya dzakadai mazuva ese, garai makateya pa YouTube nekuklika button rakanzi subscribe. Munobva maita wokutanga pa ZimDI TV News kunzwa zviri kuitika.